Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Mushroom Mashup Cling Red Rubber Stamp. This is a great stamp to pair with so many Whimsy products. I've seen a few samples pairing it with the Build-A-Fairy garden die set and of course those adorable Gnome stamp sets. Now the stamped image measures 3¼ inches wide by 3¾ inches high. I stamped the image and colored it with my Copic markers and added a punny sentiment using the Whimsy Stamps mini alphabet stamp set for my sample. For more samples featuring the mushroom mashup, be sure to follow us on Instagram. I hope you found this reveal helpful. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website, linked directly below. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. Until next time, take care.